The Naportec Port Terminal is a critical business unit of the Dole Corporation that began operations in 2002 and is currently considered one of the most secure on the Pacific Coast. Thanks to essential improvements, strategies, and security controls, there has been no drug contamination in export cargoes within the port terminal in the last 10 years. These results encourage continued strengthening of good practices, protection programs, and international certifications like BBIP, CTPAT, BASC, and the ISO 37001 anti-bribery certification. The port installation follows security and protection guidelines defined by Dole's Regional Corporate Security. Led by one port protection officer 24 hours a day with support from select private surveillance personnel, the security structure maintains proper functioning of protection to achieve goals planned by the terminal. The terminal's high security systems focus on securing the people that fulfill port and logistical tasks, import and export cargo, and the ships that arrive at the port. The main strength of our organization is trustworthy personnel who are subject to periodic reviews of judicial and household records to guarantee reliability. In addition, our protection and surveillance personnel apply strict controls on employees and visitors from the time they enter until the moment they exit the facility.
Los puertos en el mundo somos, si bien el último eslabón de la cadena logística, somos uno de los eslabones más críticos para el tema de seguridad. La seguridad hace muchos años, si bien estaba dentro de las prioridades de los terminales portuarios, al día de hoy es la prioridad número uno. Los puertos ofrecen un servicio de commodity, de subir y bajar mercaderías. Lo que nos diferencia, lo que nos da real valor agregado a nuestra operación es la seguridad.
Perimeter barriers and access controls. The port facility's efficient perimeter protection system includes electric fences, walls, and closed-circuit television systems that prevent external damage. Port terminal security control processes begin at the cargo access points to the port. Here, structures of trucks and containers are searched and security seals inspected. In addition, personnel located in a remote security center verify drivers' identities using video communications. Furthermore, Dole K9 units perform searches aimed at preventing clandestine entry of drugs or prohibited substances. All drivers who enter Naportec are trained in security regulations that must be followed for the transportation of cargo from farms to the interior of the port. They are periodically evaluated with confidence tests and judicial record reviews. Visitors who enter Naportec must comply with strict identification, registration, and validation controls through the issuance of access credentials for an authorized area. Naportec has a luggage scanner and metal detectors to prevent the entry or exit of unauthorized materials that could affect the facility. Controls in the container operation and storage area. The operational area is vital for the proper functioning of our terminal. Several strategies are merged in which our human surveillance element is supported with CCTV cameras and 24-hour thermal drone overflight to control the entire port operation. The Regional Security Department has developed important drug detection methods aimed at strengthening controls in the logistics chain. One of them is the drug detection system applied to refrigerated containers through the use of tubes in conjunction with K9 units, which allows us to carry out intense controls in the cargo areas in the operational yard, with the ability to detect as little as 1 gram of drugs in 6 containers in less than 15 seconds. This method is being shared with different anti-narcotics entities around the world. We have technologies such as portable scanners and systems that allow us to optimize times in the control of containers, preventing damage to their structures and loads. These controls are complemented with patrols and K9 inspections throughout various areas of the port facility to avoid problems experienced by other ports. Controls at docks and ships. The dock is another strategic area that is highly protected by our security team. Due to existing risks, we are equipped with thermal monoculars, infrared binoculars, thermal drones, and a boat that patrols 24 hours a day to prevent movement towards the vessels. In addition, the security boat has GPS, remote audio-video control, and sonar for detecting illegal divers underwater. During the ship's stay at Naportec docks, extensive deck and air controls are carried out to monitor the immediate areas of the facility. Before sailing, underwater inspections are carried out by specialized divers equipped with video recording equipment and the latest technology, which reduces the risk of contamination in the hulls of ships. Controls of authorities. Due to its excellent security and protection developments, the Naportec terminal has become a vital port security laboratory in the region and has allowed us to maintain close relationships with local and international control authorities. These relationships have generated a positive synergy aimed at the assurance and modernization of port controls used to guarantee the security of cargo and ships that arrive at the port. We are committed to support, exchange knowledge, and cooperate with control authorities. Delegations visiting our port for various purposes have recognized our excellent protection and human resource practices as strengths, which we continue working day by day to guarantee superior service to our customers. We are the most secure port in Ecuador and on the Pacific coast in Latin America. Thanks to professionalism, teamwork, along with Dole's and Naportec's enormous commitment to foreign trade and port operations. Naportec, we are trust, we are operational excellence.